O sige. O sige, before we end, panoorin natin yung Vana Vana. Meron pa sila sa Music Bureau eh, 'di ba? Sa mga tropa peeps natin na mga older millennials at Gen X. Okay, so yung Vana Vana, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, they were a girl group in the 90s. FOJ yung una nilang pangalan, FOJ. Lumabas sila, baka first year high school ako yata na, maganda yung kanta nila. Sobrang ganda ng kanta nila, parang pang international din ang dating. And dinala sila sa States. Parang tingnan nila kung ano mangyayari sa States. Yun nga lang, nung mga panahon na yun, putok na putok yung malaking balita sa kanila yung nangyari kay O.J. Simpson. So basta merong football player yon na merong basta parang pinatay niya yung asawa niya, tapos parang na-acquit siya, parang ganun. So malaking political thing yon sa kanila. And FOJ back then sa US meant F O.J. Simpson, 'di ba? So fuck O.J. Simpson, ganun. So parang political statement yung pangalan nila doon. Pero dito sa atin ang pangalan parang 1st of June ata. Yun ang if I'm not mistaken, yun ang ibig sabihin ng FOJ. Pero sa US may ibang ibig sabihin yun. So pinalitan nila. So naging Vana Vana. Actually mula nung naging Vana Vana sila, parang ewan ko, parang may something about dun sa FOJ na pangalan eh. But that was the rest is history. Yan, 'di ba? If it doesn't fit, you must acquit. So political sa kanila yon nung panahon, kaya they had to change the name. Vana Vana. Ito, He Loves Me. Pero ano na to eh? Yung mas nauna nila dyan. Vana Vana, FOJ, He Loves Me, I Need Your Love. Ito ba yun? Hindi yan eh. Ito, Hurting Inside. Ito yung magandang kanta nila. Hanap tayo ng unang Hurting Inside. FOJ, Hurting Inside. FOJ, Hurting Inside. Oh, yan. Ito yung mga... Actually, dapat... parang merong nagre-rainmaker. Hanep, may choreo pala yun. You are here, I will be close to you. Kaso hindi live yung 'di ba? Dati kasi gusto nilang mga ASAP, ayaw nila ng live eh. Ayoko nito. Hanap tayo ng mas maganda na live. Kahit medyo matanda na sila, mas okay pa yon. 2010, Vana Vana. Tingnan natin. Yan. Ang gagaling nito eh. Kita mo, di ba? They still got it. Favorite siya nung isang classmate ko na babae nung first year high school. The pain is deep inside. I can't picture you gone. pain in my heart.
'Cause loving you just hurts deep inside.
Ang kasabayan niyan dati yung yung kay Rani Raimundo, 'di ba? Yun yung mga niya eh. Why can't it be?
Empty moments, they just fill every part of me. Since you've been away from me, get away and give me a chance to say how much I care. Hold me close to you and set me through.
But baby, you're not there.
Like you were before.
No words allowed to hear.
I can't smile anymore.
Ganda?
'Cause you're finally over. Can't wait any longer. Do you ever think of me? 'Cause baby, can't you see that I'm hurting inside? Tears I can't hide. Never easy without you, baby. I want you to know that I'm hurting inside. The pain is deep inside. I can't bend it. Wishing you would come to ease the pain in my heart. 'Cause loving you just hurts deep inside. Yes, I'm hurting inside.
Galing. Merong lead vocals, hindi sila hahati-hati ng parts eh.
I want you to know that I'm hurting inside.
The pain is
deep inside. I can mend it. Wishing you would come to ease the pain in my heart. 'Cause loving you just hurts deep inside. 'Cause loving you just hurts deep inside.
Stig. So, yan? That's,
I'm so proud of Musical Plate Live dahil ibang klase ang guest natin.
yan ang mga
Reunion of
lola
Masterclass.
ng Bini.
Bana. Tayo lang ang gumawa niyan. Nako,
Gabi bata pa nila yung. Sino tong isa? Parang na-meet ko tong isang to. Si ano ba yan? Si... Nalimutan ko pangalan. Anyway, Vanna, FOJ. Parang, nung panahon na yan kasi, ang sikat na girl group sa US, yung Wilson Phillips. Di ba? Wilson Phillips. Actually, yung Beanieverse EP, may pagka ganun parang early 90s pop na pang girl bands. Ganun yung ewan ko I don't know if you would agree, pero it's kinda like that. Tingin ko ang isang magiging pwede nilang gawing template for future songs na all English is yun nga, yung mga kanta ng Wilson Phillips. Itong Vanna, I don't know, maganda sigurong nila to. Pwede nilang i-cover to paminsan-minsan. I don't know. Pero it would be best if originals ang mga gawin ng Beanie, diba? But I wouldn't mind them covering classics like these.